Hello all, I am Kasi Ramanathan. So in this demo, I am going to connect a mendix application with a marketplace application. So you may be aware, mendix is the low code, no code tool. So you can extend the capability by connecting to a marketplace module or connecting to a REST service. So I'll open my mendix. So it will be a very simple application, just like a Hello World application where you'll be connecting to the marketplace module. I'll name it as demo app. Normally, we will be using blank web application, but I'm going to use start with Maya. So that what I can do is that I can give my requirements in a text format. It will create everything for me. It will create a domain object. It will create the pages so that I can interact with the application. So I'll say start with Maya. Yeah, as it was taking a long time, I paused for some time. So here I'll specify my requirements. So I mention it over here. So I want to create an application for SRSK retail store that sell ready-made clothes of top brand across India. So I'll copy paste this. Again, I'll pass, let it complete. So it'll hardly take 1 or 2 minutes. It already created the domain model. It's again processing. So it's generating the test data. I'll pause for some time. Okay, not needed created. So it created a following information: the store, product, brands, inventory, customer, sales. For a store, I will add a latitude and longitude. Okay, by default it took as decimal. So latitude we store it as a decimal, and again longitude I'll store. I'll run the application. So I did nothing, but just will run it frequently. Will be running the application. I'll pause for some time. Okay, I'll run the application. Still processing. Let it complete. I'll view the application. So these are the store. I click the edit button. It created some sample data. So store name is there, location is there. So I'll add a latitude and longitude also in this page. So I'll open the store new edit. I'll copy paste this 2 times. So here I'll change the attribute. The label also changed. The caption also changed. I'll add a longitude. I'll save it and run it again. So let it run. In the meantime, I will download a marketplace module map. So I'll be using map to store the information. So I'll view the application, it will have the values. Latitude and longitude it will be having. Now it has some value. I'll come to studio. So I'll search for maps. I'll drag it over here. I need to download this. Now I'll drag and drop the map over here. Just above the save button. So here I need to add the keys. So API key I need to add. Here I need to add a map ID key. So you can search and you can add the keys. I'll pass the application. So I'll add my key and I will resume. You can go to Google Cloud and download the API keys. Whatever the key it's asking, you can download this. Now here I am select based on latitude and longitude. I'll add the latitude and longitude field. Now this is just a widget, but actually we need to download a module. So the next exercise we'll download a module. We'll run and see how it works like that. It's showing some map, but where it shows. I didn't put any value. It's showing somewhere near England. Here I'll update the value. I'll search the location of my place. I'll copy paste this. Now it should show. Is it updating the address? I'll check it. It's showing somewhere near the Bangalore, so I think that it's updated. So now you have used an external module within the mendix application. Now we will again use different module. We'll download a different module and use it. So now I will use a MX module reflection. Basically, you need this module for everything. Suppose if you want to import a Excel file, you know the what are the fields available in Excel. It should map to the internally your fields. It should map. So it should understand your application. What are the domain models available? what all, so it should understand what all the microflow available. So this model reflection, it will have the list of your application and the object that you created, that you can use. So I will install it. I'll pass. Downloader. You can see in the marketplace module MX mendix reflection. This package is available now. So before it was not available. I'll change the security. I'll make it prototype. So I don't want to use this module because whatever the changes that I make, once it's updated, it will washed away. Or if I download it again, my changes will be removed. So I'll create a new module. I'll name the same. I'll copy the name. I'll add a C for custom module. In this marketplace module, I'll go to mendix reflection. So use me. So this page I'll be using in my module. So I will copy paste the page over there. This is a module I created. I'll paste it over here. Again, I'll rename. I'll open the properties. So visibility is already, so I will add the visibility. So security, for this administrator, I will connect to the marketplace module administrator. And for the module I create, I'll create a new user. I'll create admin role for the module that I create. And I want this page to be visible to the admin, the role that I created. So in security, I'll map the application admin to this module admin. I'll run the application. So I also need to add a navigation. So I'll name it as MX module. So I'll open the page, show a page. So I'll show my custom page. I'll run the application. I'll save everything. I think there are some errors. We need to fix it. So I'll show what all options it shows. So visibility, I should select something. I'll select user. Whatever the option it gives, I'm using this to fix the error. Again, this page doesn't have any access. Okay. Select update all widget. Same error. Okay, now all the issues are fixed. I'll run the application. So this is just like a Hello World application where you'll be using the external marketplace module within the mendix. So if you are able to use the marketplace module, you can create a powerful application. So most of the features are available as a marketplace module. We'll use the application. So now I enable the security. So it's asking for username password. This is the one that I created. So I need to select my application. I didn't change my application name. So it's showing my first module. So I'll synchronize. See, now you can see the entries that is available in my application and the microflow that are available. So if you open the application, you can see the same entries: brand, customer, inventory, product, sales. The same thing is there. Brand. So this was the first one. Sales was there. So now the marketplace module is working. So it's able to fetch my information. Thank you.